So I wanted to talk to you today about what to look for on a loan estimate and to not just look just at the interest rate, but there's a few other pieces of information on what's called a loan estimate. It's a 3-page document, and wanted to hit on a couple of those, or a few of those, I guess, for you right now. First thing to look at, and we'll throw it up here on the screen, you're going to want to look if the loan is locked. That'll be on the top right. It'll say rate locked. It'll either be a yes or a no, and it'll show you the date that it's locked through. Next thing you want to look at is the actual interest rate. That's under the loan terms section. It's the second field there. That'll show you the interest rate. That's the one everyone typically will look at and try to compare between some different options. Then at the bottom of the page, an important one, two important ones really, it's estimated closing costs and then also estimated cash needed for closing, which is your down payment and your closing costs included. Now, the big thing on that closing cost number, it can be manipulated a little bit because it includes your actual loan costs as well as things like your prepaid items, your escrow account, your homeowner's insurance, property taxes set up, that type of thing. So the big thing there is you're going to want to look on the second page and compare those items that fall on the left side of the screen typically, and those would be things that are considered loan costs that are hard costs with the loan. The biggest one you want to look for there is in section A. Those are costs associated with the loan that you're getting and the interest rate, as well as any underwriting, processing fees, things of that nature. So that's going to really tell you a lot of the story as far as what the costs are from the lender. And then on the third page as well, there's what's called an annual percentage rate, which will take the total costs over the life of the loan expressed as an APR or an interest rate. It's not your actual interest rate, it's your annual percentage rate. So a lot of valuable information on there. Check those few items. If your lender basically won't explain that to you, ask a lot of questions as to what those fees are and what those items are. If you'd like us to take a look at it for you, we'd be happy to. But check those items on your loan estimate just to make sure you understand everything and you feel comfortable moving forward. Thanks.